In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on advanced features. Now you need to scroll again, tap on Dual Messenger. And when you're ready, click on the grey switcher next to any available app you wanna clone. Then choose Install and wait. So when I go back to check, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Now, if you ever wanna delete this clone, use the same now blue switcher and hit Uninstall in a pop-up. Quick tip. If you want to use separate contact list, click on it on the left. Enable it here thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. And tap on select contacts to add them right away. Hit add, tap on them, select done, and go back. If you would ever want to delete them, you can do exactly the same. Delete, tap on them, and hit done. This time though, you will have to confirm your choice in the pop-up here by tapping on Don't Add, unless you want to add your new contacts, and to disable this option, use blue switcher and hit OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!